Custom speakers, crackling vinyl, and cocktails that never touch a shaker. Welcome to Bird in Copenhagen, where Scandi-cool meets serious cocktails. Bird is a sanctuary where high-fidelity sound meets high-concept cocktails. It's a place that effortlessly embodies hygge, that essential Danish coziness, while delivering a world-class drinking experience. The vibe at Bird is defined by vinyl. Think of it as a listening bar with custom-built speakers delivering warm, crystal-clear sound ranging from jazz classics to soul and other curated playlists. Their menu, created by Peter Altenburg, is a tribute to clarity, simplicity, and balance, focusing on high-quality spirits and modern reinterpretations of the classics. My personal favorite has to be the melon cream soda, the ultimate delicious finale to any cocktail drinking session at Bird. If you appreciate a perfectly made drink without the fuss, Bird is your sanctuary. But the big question is, what's your go-to vinyl and cocktail pair? Let me know in the comments below. I'm Ankit Fadia, and I'm hitting every single bar on the world's and Asia's 50 best bars lists. Join me as I explore the cocktails, the vibes, and what makes each of these places unique.